Here I have the 12 volt connector to my 12 volt fan. Just plug it in. And there's the 12 volt DC ceiling fan, plastic, brushless motor. It's a bit noisy, but it can move quite a bit of air, especially if you're sitting right below it. So why would you use a 12 volt fan? Well, maybe you just have 12 volt power, you don't have any AC power. Or if you have AC in your van or something and you don't want to use your inverter, because if you use your inverter, you'll consume a few watts already. So this draws about 6 watts altogether. And I use a 12 volt adapter like this. This is the one actually that comes with it. This is 12 volt, 1 amp. Switching power supply. And this is the clip-on adapter that comes with it. So you can just clip it to your 12 volt battery. Right now I'm just running off a 12 volt Harbor Freight adapter. This is 600 mA. So it works. It's more powerful than these DC motor ceiling fan that I had before. Like I said, a little bit noisy, but it's much more powerful than the old fan that I had. Of course, it's not a full-size ceiling fan. Maybe about 2.5 feet in diameter. So when you hang this up, it's probably a good idea to make a loop over here so your wire won't droop and run the risk of being chopped up by the fan blade, or maybe your fan blade will get damaged by the wire. The fan blade is just plastic fan blade, very lightweight. I don't know how durable this is. I just pulled it out because the weather's starting to get a little bit warmer, so you can use it in wherever you have 12 volt power. It's about $30 when I bought it, and it came with the AC adapter. Okay, thanks for watching.